On this video, I'm going to show you how to make this chicken curry with no curry paste or curry powder. This is a healthy, easy, delicious recipe. This is one of my favorite. Anything that is cooked with coconut milk is absolutely delicious. Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. This is a dash of spices. Please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Our ingredients are butternut squash. I bought this at the Asian store, but this is also available at Costco. Also a Chinese cabbage, which is a bok choy. Chicken meat. This is just a leftover grilled chicken that I cooked last night, but you can use a chicken breast or any meat like a shrimp. It's really up to you. A garlic, red bell pepper, a ginger, bay leaves. Also, I'm using half of this Knorr chicken cube. Onions, I'm using red onions because we're making curry. Coconut milk, make sure you're using a coconut milk and not a coconut cream, because if you use coconut cream, you're going to add water to dilute it a little bit. We have garlic pepper, garlic salt, and Italian seasoning. We have coconut oil, and of course the ground black pepper, and the chicken stock. Preheat your skillet, and when your skillet is ready, you're going to add your coconut oil, and you're going to cook the onion first because I don't want the garlic to overcook. Then you're gonna add the garlic. Make sure you're cooking this in a low heat. Coconut oil tends to heat up right away. Then add your chicken meat. This time you're gonna adjust your burner into medium heat. Cover this for a minute. That should be done. Now you're going to add the red bell pepper and the ginger. Just mix them nicely. It's like you're sauteing the ingredients. Once that mix, you're going to add your butternut squash. Saute the ingredients, and then you're going to cover this for a minute. Now add your bay leaves and 1/4 of that chicken stock. And then you're going to season this, except the garlic salt. Season it with garlic pepper, ground pepper, Italian seasoning. Now you're going to add your coconut milk. It is better to use the coconut milk than a cream because the milk is not so thick. The cream, you have to add more water to it, and I don't want that. So I'm just keeping it with the milk. Now I'm using half of that chicken cube since I'm not using a curry paste. Cover this for about 5 minutes. Keep an eye on your skillet because coconut milk tends to boil right away. And now you're going to add your garlic salt, and you're going to taste it if this needs more seasoning. Cover for a minute. Just mix them nicely. And next you're going to add your bok choy. Again, I'm cooking this in low heat. Now add your bok choy. I'm just putting it in the top. I'm not really mixing the bok choy to the ingredients because I don't want it overcooked. And that's it, your curry should be done. There is your chicken curry with butternut squash and bok choy. Butternut squash and bok choy is very healthy for you. This is a very easy, healthy, delicious chicken curry. Some of these ingredients you could buy at your local store. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button if you do. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a good one, everybody.